Hello, this is Johnny Boy. Tonight we're introducing new features for jboy dog in version 1.1. Primarily, we've got a new menu, so we don't have to use the clumsy action menu. Thanks to Suli, we have a nice dialogue menu. I hit the T key, and I have a new menu. So I'll tell Boomer to sit.
Boomer, sit.
Boomer, heal.
Boomer, heal.
Now Boomer's healing. This new menu, you hit the T key and use the mouse to select whatever action you're going to do.
Boomer, move there. Boomer, fetch.
So I really like this menu, and thanks Suli, because it's a lot cleaner than using the action menu.
Boomer, drop it. Good dog.
The other main features is we now have dog packs where they roam and attack, so we'll show that next. So below us you see a dog pack. It was spawned when a player got near. Now it's going to roam, hundreds of meters in random directions until it actually encounters humans or animals that it wants to attack. So there's a dog pack leader and there's dog pack followers, and they move in that direction. Okay, they sensed somebody that was within 50 meters, and I think it was these guys right here. So you see how the AI is actually fighting the dogs, which vanilla AI would never do. So they're shooting, and they killed one dog so far, and the dogs are all over them, and the dogs won, as they always do, because the AI is not very good at fighting them. And I'm not sure I can make that better. And the dogs, once they kill them, they resume roaming until they get within close enough to attack somebody else. And they did. Now they're going to attack these guys. So the dogs divide up kind of randomly and attack targets. Maybe they'll all gang up on one, or they'll split up evenly and attack all the guys. It's different every time. This guy's being chased. This guy has one dog on him, and this guy's got 4 dogs on him. So when you're being rat-packed by a bunch of dogs, it is not an easy thing to handle. This dog's running from that guy now. So the dogs are on the move, and they've found some more targets. These 4 guys. Here comes the pack. And after attacking for a while, they might knock the primary weapon out of the guy's hands, and then they have to go for their pistols. They're doing their best, but they're gonna die because the dogs are badass. And finally, this is what it feels like to be chased by a pack of dogs. It's not a good feeling, man. Here they come. Take shelter in this building. I'm sure we'll be safe in there. Uh-oh. Looks like they know about doors. I lost my rifle. Took it out of my hands. Ay, ay, ay.